Here you have a very solid, good-looking, nice running and driving 1964 Dodge Polara, dressed up with a 440 max wedge top end to it. It's not a 426, but it does have the max wedge top end. Thing runs and drives beautifully. Very strong car, solid underneath. Nice clean interior. So you can see good door cards on it. Back seat, headliner. All the gauges, heater works. Nice glass. Good looking chrome. There's a few little blemishes in the paint. They're hard to see. White's very, very forgiving, but overall a nice car. Kind of walk around. You can see some more still pictures and information at uniqueclassiccars.com, or you can call and ask for one of our sales reps at 507-386-1726. Let's fire this beast up here for you. Good running car. It's got a nice sound to it. We'll go under the hood here. It does have 2 4s on there, just like a max wedge would. Good looking car. It's going to turn heads at car shows with the hood open. I can guarantee that one. For more pictures and information, go to uniqueclassiccars.com, or you can call 507-386-1726. Thank you.